Before starting your first exercise program, it's important you understand why you want to do your exercises and what you're looking to get out of an exercise program. So if you're trying to develop your muscles or become bigger or more defined, then strength training is definitely going to be the cornerstone component of your program. And then mobility and cardiovascular training will supplement that. If you're concerned about getting heart disease, or you're concerned about, or you want to run a race or become fast at racing, then cardiovascular training is definitely going to be the cornerstone component, and you'll want to supplement it with mobility and strength training. And if function or mobility is most important, then you'll want to focus on mobility and then supplement it with strength training and cardiovascular training as necessary. So for the purposes of this course, we're going to go through each one of those components as if they are the cornerstone. And then you can follow whatever cornerstone it is. So if you decide strength training is what you want to focus on the most, then follow exactly what we say for the strength training, and then take the components that apply to you out of the mobility and the cardiovascular training and work those into your program to supplement the strength training program that you're doing.